Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the OneDrive account that actually holds the storage you want to clear. Once signed in, open the OneDrive web interface or desktop app so you can see used GB and available % at a glance. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled so you can spot placeholders versus actual stored files. This prevents accidental full downloads. Now that you're in, locate the storage or settings area to begin identifying large items you can safely remove to free space. Next, sort your OneDrive content by size or use the built-in storage view to reveal the biggest space hogs. You should selectively delete large files, old device backups, and unnecessary shared folder content. When you delete, make sure the items are not synced in another active device. After deletion, immediately empty the OneDrive recycle bin to reclaim space rather than waiting. Also remove duplicate photos and bulky email attachments stored in OneDrive, because they often consume surprisingly large amounts of storage. Finally, verify the reclaim by checking account storage and watching the used GB decrease. Make sure all synced devices update so the change is reflected everywhere. If you don't see expected space freed, inspect the recycle bin and the personal vault because both hold deleted items until permanently removed. If syncing shows discrepancies, try unlinking and relinking the account or perform a OneDrive reset to force reconciliation. If problems continue, note the exact file names before trying deeper resets so you avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.